today we are reviewing Sidcade, the Guardian of Nature, or the Nature Guardian, yeah, whatever. So now let's get into the review. Okay, so now let's zoom in on the legs. So there I have a 2 claw feet 08 version. Standard construction build. Oh, if I go to the side, you can see I got one of those pieces. Yeah, right there. Now the arms. I used this piece was from Crawler, the cocoon piece from Invasion from Below, and the claw piece that initially came in Anua, but this particular cutter came in the Kanira, I want to say. The 2 dragonfly type creatures, we'll just go with that. Torso, standard build, and I used the creature of Stonehead for that. Now the back. Oh wow, the wing is bent. So I used the Gorass wing there, and again, Crawler parts. And then there's the back. And yeah, let's go to the end of the video now. Hooray! So this has been the review of Sidcade, the Nature Guardian. So watch out for a slideshow on how to build soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.